Hello everyone. I would like to discuss vector notations in case of projectile motion. So in this first case we will see. See here. Whenever a body is projected with a u initial velocity with a horizontally made of an angle is theta. Now this u initial velocity is resolved into two components. Horizontally with a u cos theta we can write. Vertically we can write it is in a u sin theta. Okay. So then after some time it reach P point. Now in that case, what is that velocity? In that case, velocity is V. Horizontally it is making of with an angle of alpha. Okay. So after means at a P point, velocity we need to calculate. So how we can calculate means here we can write. So initial velocity vector u vector is equal to what we can write? U cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap. It is resolved into two components. That's why I wrote like that. Now here acceleration is, we are projecting upward means acceleration is equal to minus g. Vertical means j cap we can write. So using of equation of motion, what is that? V is equal to u plus at I will take. So in this case, velocity vector is equal to what we can write? U nothing but u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta. Already it is a j. This is also j. So minus gt j cap we can write. So v vector is equal to we can write as a vx I cap vy j cap we can write. Now its magnitude of vector velocity is equal to how we can write u cos theta whole square plus u sin theta minus gt whole square we can write. Now the angle made by horizontally with an angle how much? Alpha. So angle made by the velocity with a horizontal how much? Alpha. So from that tan alpha is equal to what we can write here? V vertical velocity, horizontal velocity. Vertical velocity how much it is there? U sin theta minus gt we got. By horizontal u cos theta we got. So this is the velocity we got and also angle also we got, tan alpha value also we got. These are the two cases we got in this after some time. Velocity we got. Next case we will see. So same case, we are projecting after some time it reach a P point. At this P point, height h is there. So in this case, we will see velocity after some height. So in that case, initial velocity it is resolves into two component u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap. As it is, we can write a also we can write height means vertical only minus g j cap we can write. So here height nothing but I am taking s is equal to h. Height is a vertical only. It is also j cap I will write. Using of equation of motion v square minus u square is equal to 2as. I am using. So from this v square is equal to u square. U square nothing but what value we get? U cos theta whole square plus u sin theta whole square. A value minus g means minus 2gh we can get. So from this v is equal to under root of this term total So v u cos theta whole square plus u sin theta whole square minus 2gh we got. This is a v. In the case of vector form, we need to write vector form. How we can write? V vector is equal to, this will come outside the root, means root and square cancel. We can get u cos theta I cap. So this is the first. Next, plus under root of u sin theta whole square minus 2gh. So this total term is a j cap. It is also in the form of u vector is equal to vxi cap plus vyj cap we can write. So angle made by the velocity with a horizontal, how we can write? Tan alpha is equal to vy by vx we can write. Vy how much? So under root of u sin square sin theta whole square minus 2gh by u cos theta we got. So these are the two cases we got, tan theta, tan alpha value and so v value. We got these two, this case also. Next case we will see. So position vector of particle. So a body or particle is projected. After some time, it reaches a P point. What is that position? So from this P to origin, so that displacement is a R vector we can write. So initially it is resolves into two components, means initial velocity is resolves into two components. So that u vector is equal to, we can write as a u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap, we can write same only. Here also same, acceleration a is equal to minus g j cap we can write. Now here I will take the equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square I will take. So in this case, s is nothing but displacement r vector I will take. So u value, u means u cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap into t plus half a nothing but minus g j cap t square we can write. So r vector is equal to u cos theta t I cap plus u sin theta t minus half gt square j cap we can write. It is also we can write as a r vector is equal to xi cap plus it is in the form yj cap. So here y component we can write as a y is equal to what? U sin theta t minus half gt square we got same only. Now here also we can find out this is a displacement with a horizontally made of alpha angle. So that's why magnitude of displacement, how we can write? S is equal to first under root of x square plus y square we can write. This is a displacement. So angle made by this velocity with a horizontal, how we can write? Tan alpha is equal to, we can write, what is the tan alpha? Y value how much? U sin theta into t minus half gt square by x component u cos theta into t. So these are the three different cases we got. Okay. So we got a height, position, and time after velocity we got. So three cases we got. Okay. These are the vector forms. Thank you, everyone.